Hello guys, Spirit Knife here. Hope you guys are doing well. First commentary video. I make this video because I have an issue with this guy. He has a tap, but I don't really care. It's more like the braid rope. I have a bad braid rope on the safe handle. I don't know if you can hear that. And I notice the blade is not straight on the middle, it's like more on the right side, and when I push it, it goes straight on the middle. And like I said, it's what I want. But I try tune bushings, washer, everything, and I can't get the blade straight on the middle. It's always go to the right side, and it's called braid rope. And if I tune the bushings to get no tap, the blade going stiff to the blade. Sorry for my bad English and accent. And I try everything, put two washers on one side, but it doesn't work, it doesn't fit because it's too small here. And yeah, it's really piss me off, because I hate braid rope. It damaged the aluminum blade, and it's not great to hear. So if you have any advice or solution, I will try, and I tell you in the next video if it's work or not. Peace.